Hey y'all, coming to you from the headquarters of ScottieDTV, but I was at the Grand National Roadster show in Pomona, California, and I came across like a 66 Mustang that was kind of an Eleanor thing, street machine. Very cool. I think y'all gonna like it. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a quick look at it. What about that? I know, people are gonna say, another Eleanor. You know, there's a reason there's a bunch of Eleanor cars out there. Because they are cool. It's just a very cool style of Mustang. Iconic, some would say. Like the Bullet, Eleanor. And this is a cool example of them. I like it. I like the color. I like the way the side pipes are done. I like the stance. I love the wheels. I love the color of the wheels. I like that white and the blue they chose. You know, I mean, that's more difficult than one would guess. I mean, there's a million colors of white and 2 million colors of blue out there. And I think they mixed it well on this one. I love what they did with the interior. I love the stitching in those seats. I just think that is, man, that baseball stitching on that roll bar. This is a very nice car. Headliner in it with a roll bar. That's a trick in itself. I think that's a modern dash, but don't hold me to that. Maybe dash pad. But they didn't lose any of the coolness of the 66 Mustang. Turns out from the VIN number, it's a 66. Sign says 65, so whichever you want to believe. It's, you know, it's cool. That's all I can tell you. All I do is shoot the videos, guys. I don't know how that happens, but, and then, you know, thank goodness, right? We don't have an LS up under here. I believe it's a Coyote, but, you know, what do I know? It could be a 5.2, a 5.4, right? There's all those Ford motors, and I don't know one from the other. I'm just glad to see it's a Ford. But look how big that is. Took the shock towers out, and there's a Shelby tag over on that fender, so I'm not sure what's happening there. Up under here, very clean, nicely done, set up to drive. No paint and polish, just where the paint and polishes matter. And I don't think the hood's all the way closed, so cut them a break on that. But I like how everything in the front's molded. And again, this interior. And that gear shift, right? Man, this thing still drives like a 66 or a 65 Mustang. That big throw, because now everything's a short throw. But, man, it just makes me smile. I just want to drive this car. And that's what you can tell. That's, you know, as nice as it is, you can get up and drive this thing to, well, I'd say to California because I'm in Tennessee, but you can drive it to Tennessee. Yeah, from California. But the door panels, I love those. Man, I think they just nailed that. You know, it's a very high-end European but OEM looking door panel. And then they recovered those race seats. Oh, very nice job. There's a lot to like on this one. Even though, like I said, I understand, yeah, I get it. There's a lot of them. But there's going to be a lot more. They did a nice job of molding the bumpers in. Kept the trunk clean, brought the, you know, the cockpit interior, just a touch of that back here. Everything again, you know, no paint and polish, no buffing under here. But it's clean, tidy, done nice. Single stripe, you know, a lot of them have double stripes. I like that they chose to do a single stripe. That's a little bit different. Oh, again, like I said, there's a reason I shot it. I thought it was a cool car. I hope you guys do too. And I think that the 66 Mustangs will, you know, always be cool. So there you go from the 2018 Grand National Roadster show, a 1966 Mustang, Eleanor style. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.